Hi, in this example, I want to count each project and display its serial number in this column. So for that, we can use COUNTIF function. Let me show you how to do it. Okay, I'll fix this row and keep this as relative. So this is my range and this is the criteria, which is this project name. Let's see how it works. Let me first copy it and then I'll show you. See, we're getting the serial number for each project. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for A project, and then similarly 7 and 8 as well. For project B, here is our serial number. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and so on. Right? So let me show you how it works. Now, if I check this cell, this is the range. It will always start with B2 because the second row is fixed and this is changing. This row is changing, right? So it will always start with the second row and count till this row, 7th row, and the criteria will also be the same cell, right, in the same row. So it is basically trying to count all the values that have project B in them, right? So we have 3. Up to this point we have 3 cells having project B, so we are getting 3. And here similarly it is trying to count, it is counting project C up to this point. So we have 4 occurrences. These are 3 and this is the 4th one, right? So we are getting 4. So this way we can get the serial numbers for individual projects. Now in second example, I want to get the serial number, but here we have gaps, so I don't want to display any number where we don't have any project, right? So for this, what we can do is, first we need to check if the cell has a value or not. For that we can use if condition with ISBLANK function. If this is blank, then show nothing else. We can show the count again. But here we'll use count A. That counts all the values except blank cells, right? Again, starting with this cell, it will remain the same. Like in our previous example, we will fix this row and keep the other changing. Let's see. There we go, right? So if it's a blank cell, it will show nothing, right? Otherwise, it will display the count. That's it. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching.